Hi, I am Yogi and I am a holistic practitioner, but I am a juice therapist where I focus on healing people's bodies through juicing. The beautiful thing about juicing is that you're absorbing it through liquid and you are getting fiber, you're getting insoluble fiber from all the vegetables that are being extracted through the juicer. And you're getting all the phytonutrients, vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that the body needs while the body is not having to work. And you're gonna get all the effects within 15 minutes. I'm gonna start off with spinach and kale, incredible, powerful antioxidants, very good for your immune system. So here we got celery, very good anti-inflammatory, great antioxidant, very good for your immune system. Apples, green apples preferably, incredible for preventing cancer, and they also regulate your blood sugars. Beets, amazing to prevent heart disease. You have no idea how powerful these little suckers are. Then we got carrots, beta carotene, very good for your skin. I always add a piece of lemon just to give you the alkaline and works with your pH factor in your body. Sometimes I add watermelon for your immune system. It hydrates your body. It gives it a little bit of that sweet taste. I add turmeric, which is also an incredible anti-inflammatory and powerful antioxidant. I add a dash of cinnamon. So now I got my AM Crusher juice that I drink every morning and I'm ready to go. Make sure to subscribe to my videos and follow me for more tips on juicing.